Hi, this is Jack, and I want to show you my iSpring water filtration unit installation here in my kitchen. I was fortunate enough to have an entire cabinet available right next door to the sink where I've done the installation. That's right here. And here's the water filtration unit. It's the 6-filter version, and it's mounted to the wall of the cabinet there. And the reserve tank is just freestanding on the floor of the cabinet with a long enough yellow tube that when it comes time to replace the filters, I can just take that tank out and place it right in front of the cabinet. Leaves a lot of room for replacing the filters. Makes that really easy. I've got my wrenches ready to go there for the next time I replace the filters. And you can see the output of the filtration unit, the blue tube, I've got teed off, and it goes to the refrigerator ice maker for delicious tasting ice. And then the rest of the tubes disappear through the wall right to next door, which is underneath the sink, where I've got the red feed tube teed off to the cold water intake. I've got the black exhaust tube teed to the drain, the sink drain, and then the blue tube that's the output of the water filtration unit goes to the drinking water faucet. I've always been really particular about my drinking water, and I just replaced the filters on this again, and it just tastes delicious. Delicious tasting drinking water.